Till now, the US has lost 25 drones, each costing $30 million. One F-35 stealth fighter costing $100 million, four F-15 Strike Eagles worth $80 million each, one E-3 Sentry air warning and control systems aircraft worth $240 million, seven KC-135 air-to-air refuelers costing $40 million each, one A-10 Thunderbolt worth $20 million, two Special Forces C-130 worth $114 million each, one HH-60 combat and search helicopter worth $35 million, and now an Apache attack helicopter worth $60 million. In total, the US has lost aircraft worth nearly $3 billion. A cost that has been solely paid for by ordinary Americans.